Hi everyone, this is Clint Whisperer and for today's video I'll be answering some questions in our subject General Biochemistry and make it as a reflection video. So yeah, let's go! What did you feel about studying lesson 1? Is the lesson 1 boring and effective, or is the lesson 1 interesting and effective? What I felt during studying lesson 1 was tough, challenging, and my mind was like being squeezed for trying to understand each topic. I know in myself that I need to take time to understand the whole lesson and try not to be in a situation where I won't force myself to do the task but take it slowly but at the same time learn. For me, the whole lesson was not ineffective and boring. It's the opposite of it. Actually, I was thrilled and amazed by the design of the lesson because it's from Key-in-Y. That's the reason my feeling of being pressured was being reduced, and I was eager to read because it's like each topic are simplified for easy comprehension and the characters of Key-in-Y are entertaining. The lesson gave me knowledge and information about carbohydrates that they also have essential role. They can be found in plant materials and can be used for paper making. Though some parts of the lesson is hard to catch up, I still managed to learn something because I have also researched it. What are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you find difficult to understand? The topics encountered in lesson 1 that I find difficult to understand was the Howard projection formula. It was hard for me to understand the structure of Howard projection formula compared to the structure of Fischer projection formula. The structure is in a cyclic form and I think A glucose and B glucose can be located on the other side or opposite. The structure can be still continued and it might be difficult to find A glucose and B glucose B. In Howard projection formula like aldehyde aldoses hemiacetal or ketone ketoses hemiketal is also difficult to learn. I was really having a hard time learning or understanding these behaviors. What are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you find easy to understand? The topics in lesson 1 that I find easy to understand are monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, the number of units, classification of monosaccharides, Fischer projection formula, fructose, glucose, lactose, and ribose. These are the topics I managed to understand not that easily, but I was giving enough time and take guts to absorb the important details in the different topics. In reading each topic, it caught up my observation and it was not that hassle to research, but I did make some errors on the quiz. I was still then confused after all I was studying. Although Fischer projection formula was not that hassle to locate and find the sugar molecule, but I think it still has the potential to show something just like the Howard projection formula. Handedness of a molecule was also quite interesting and at first I was confused, but then I understand some of it when it was discussed by our instructor Ma'am Mel. Why do you need to learn about left and right-handed chirality of molecules? I need to learn the left and right chirality of molecules because as a student taking up agriculture, it would give so much knowledge about the chemical behaviors of molecules. If we can gain knowledge about handedness or chirality of a molecule, we can tell how this molecule show its reaction toward other molecule. If a molecule has its own way to change, other molecule could get the effect of it. Handedness or chirality of a molecule, if studied, it shows the left and right-handed nature in the sense that a molecule may exist as a form of the same mirror images. Handedness of a molecule can be superimposable and non-superimposable. Superimposable, which means both can coincide together, and non-superimposable, meaning they are not superimposable just like the right and left hand. When the right hand is placed to the left hand, it doesn't coincide. So that's all. Thank you for watching.